Hey guys, today I want to show you something quite different from what I showed you before. As you can see, this is not a regular junk journal or scrapbook, and well, let's see it. From the very beginning, I want to say that the idea came to me when I saw the box from, I think it was whiskey or some other drink that my husband bought, and I felt it's like such a waste to throw away such a nice box, and I decided to make a scroll and put it inside. I had this really beautiful fabric. This is a sari trims with embroidery and beads somewhere, I think, and decorated edges with this cotton rope, and that's it actually. And here we have the main part of this project. So I made this kind of a belt, these beautiful beads. I don't remember where I bought this, but these are metal, and I think it's glass staining. I'm not sure, but this is not plastic. I will need all the space to show you this. So here we go. Here we have this little paper trims to write on some stories, some mini stories. Basically, it's like one of my junk journals. It's just a different shape. This is a mini booklet. As a basement, I used different fabric trims. These are removable. I have left some free spaces for the owner of this journal to decorate it the way they like. There is not much space here generally, so I decided that it's nice to leave at least some spots where the owner can actually attach their, I don't know, memorable things, some memorable pieces. For example, I pinned this just to show that you can put something of yours here. You can remove it if you don't want it, if you don't like it, if you want something else to be here. Of course, everything is beaded and embroidered by my hands. Of course, I have these mini pockets with these tiny pieces of papers to make some notes. I think it can be a nice, I don't know, a wedding gift. It can actually be a guest book, unusual guest book, or you can use this scroll to write some wishes. For example, if you attend someone's anniversary, I think it's fun to use it as a guest book, as a card. So anyway, here we have another pocket with another mini book, and this is a vintage stamp. I have quite many of this, and you can open it like this. Well, this fabric, no, it's not made by me. This is not my embroidery. It's, I don't know, a piece of old fabric that I had. So I'll show you this, another mini book. It's a nice closure, by the way, if you have a fabric cover. Of course, everything is rolled while it's a scroll, but I think it's fun. Just a mini booklet. And here again I left this space. You can remove this and you can see some nice embroidery here. This is a free spot to attach some memorable thing of yours. Here as well, here as well. This area is also movable. You see, you can actually, if you want to tear it apart, or you can let people write one by one like this, some wishes, some mini fun stories. It can also be used as a journal. I mean, it can be like, you know, what you call it, a time capsule or something like that. As I said, this journal, well, I'll call it a journal, doesn't have much of a writing space, but I think actually it's suitable for some particular occasion, for some particular event in your life, where you describe it, when you devote the whole thing to tell some special story and then encapsulate it and leave it for a really long time. And anyway, it's always nice to try to make something new and different, and I highly recommend you to try to make one. And maybe you will end up with something else, you never know. But anyway, when you try something that you don't know how to make, it brings you more ideas, it makes you inspired, it makes you more creative. And I forgot to show you the last piece of this journal. It's here, and it goes like this. It's a long piece of paper. I had to kind of smash it to make it, I don't know, rollable. I don't know the word. Also, I want to show you how it looks like in one piece. I'm not sure my camera can show it to you. You can actually hang it on a wall. There is a hole through this thing, and maybe I will attach some rope here. Well, this is it actually. Yeah, you can hang it on a wall. Ooh, this is a really nice idea. Just as I said, if you have some event like anniversary, you can hang it on a wall. It's quite noticeable, and people can come and write down some wishes. Maybe leave some stuff in the pockets. Yes. And of course I forgot something else. First of all, you can see these beautiful moons here, but I want to show you something different. Here I have a hidden piece of paper. So you can actually write some secret of yours here, and not to show it to anyone. You can hide here quite many secrets. I don't know why I keep making these secret spots. Well, people like them. I'll just show you how it looks like from the other side. not too much. This is it. I will now roll it back. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this video. I hope you got inspired to make something different, something cool. And of course, I hope you will stay safe, healthy, and creative. Bye bye.